Сәлем достар, сіздермен бірге мен Ұлан, достармен бірге Битплада ойынын ойнайтын боламыз. Міне, менде бұл взлом. Давай бастайық. Біз біріншіні идитен бастайық. Кодтинг старт дегенде. Кеттік. Dostlar biz bittik. Film combo дейді. Так, енді істегендай Old Town Road ойнамай қояйық. Bad Guy ойнайық достар. Кеттік. Biz yaptırdık niye? Ne yapacağız? Так, енді біздегі daha Godzilla'ны жіберейік. Кеттік ең соңға. Кеттік.
monster. When the moon shines like ice road trucker, I look like a villain at a young blockbuster. I spit a monster. Blood on the dance floor, Louis V carpet. Fire, fire, monster. Blood on the dance floor. If you never gave a damn, raise your hand, cause I'm about to set trip. Vacation plans, on point like my indexes. So all you will ever get is the motherfucking finger. Prostate exam. How can I have all these fans to perspire like a liar? Pants I'm on fire, and I got no plans to retire. And I'm still the man you admire. These chicks are spazzing out. I only get more handsome and flyer. I got them passing out like what you do when you hand someone flyers. What goes around comes around just like the blades on the chainsaw. I caught the flag for my dollar stacked right off the bat like a baseball. Like kidding, bitch, I got them racks with so much ease that they call me Diddy. Cause I make fans a night call getting cheese a cakewalk. Yeah, bitch, I'm a player. I'm too motherfucking stingy for share. Won't even lose you an ear, ain't even pretending you care. But I tell the bitch I'm area, should bury a face in my genital area. The original Richard Ramirez, Christian Rivera. My lyrics never sit well, so they wanna give me the chance. Like a paraplegic and it's scary, call it Harry Carry. Cause every time I'm digging Harry Carry, I'm marrying motherfucking dictionary on. I'm swearing up and down, they can spit the shit's hilarious. It's time to put these bitches in the obituary column. We wouldn't see eye to eye with a staring problem. Get the shaft like a staring column. Trigger happy, packy, but it's black ink. People half of the bad beats. Equal that means take a back seat, take a back to fat beats. With a maxi single, look at my rap sheet. What attracts these people is my gangster bitch. Like a pat cheek with a cat cheek. Jiggle, I stack chicks. You better got a half eat cheetah. Fill 'em with the venom and eliminate 'em. Other words, I'm intimate. I don't wanna hurt 'em, but I did 'em. Confederate, you're murdering. Get nobody will evade 'em. Better kill 'em. Jump on the fucking body, boom, I'm liberating. Everything is iterated. Renegade 'em. Never anybody who wanted was a penetrator. Don't nobody want it, but they're gonna get it anyway. I'm beginning to feel like I'm mentally ill. Until I kill 'em, be killing me, kill 'em, be the vanilla gorilla. You're bringing the killer within me out of me. You don't wanna be the enemy of the demon. And when enemy of me, the receiving enemy. What's the ability of the every bit of me, the epitome. You spit it when I'm in the vicinity. Motherfucker, you better duck. You're gonna be dead the minute you're right enemy. 100% of you is a bit of a vicinity. Motherfucker, finish you, bitch, I'm available. You wanna battle, I'm available. I'm loving, I'm playing, I'm playable. I'm unavailable, I'm unavoidable. I'm undebatable. I'm unfundable. I got a trailer full of money and I'm payable. I'm not tradable. Man, stop. Look what I'm planning.
Arkadaşlar biz bitirdik. Hadi sonra Smell Lake'tan da basın, sağ olun.